In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a photo background in Canva, and trust me, it only takes about 5 minutes. Whether you want to enhance your project's focus or just add a subtle artistic touch, blurring the background of an image can make a huge difference. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't have it open already, head over to your browser and log into your Canva account. This is the initial step where all the magic begins, so make sure you're signed in and ready to create. Now, after you're in, it's time to either open an existing design or start a new one, depending on your preferences. If you've already started working on something and you want to add that blurred background touch, go ahead and open that project. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new design by choosing your desired dimensions. Now, with your project open, you need to select the background you wish to blur. If your image has multiple elements, be sure the main subject is clearly distinguished from the background. Keep in mind, a clear distinction will enhance the overall effect. Once you've selected the image area you intend to blur, look towards the top of your interface and find the Edit button. Give it a click. This is where you gain access to a variety of great tools that Canva offers for image retouching. In this scenario, we're focusing on just one of them, so let's move on to the next step. Now that you're in the editing section, locate the blur option. It's usually right there among other editing functions like brightness and contrast. Click on blur and this will bring up a slider. This is the key to creating that soft, out-of-focus effect you're aiming for. To adjust the blur, move the slider to the right. Don't rush this step. You'll want to ensure the background becomes nicely soft without it turning into a complete haze. It should look natural, so keep a close eye on your main subject and make sure it stands out against the background gracefully. Once you're satisfied with how the blurred background looks, it's time to seal the deal. Head over to the Share button, click it, and then select the Download option. For best quality, save your newly edited image as a PNG file. PNGs retain higher quality than most other formats, so your image will look crisp and clear where it needs to be, and softly blurred where it doesn't. And there you have it. That's how you can easily blur the background of an image in Canva in just a few minutes. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. You'll find that not only does it help direct attention to the primary subject of your image, but it also adds a professional touch to your design. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.